Hey guys, what's up everyone? This is my first video on this channel, and I'm super excited to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 viral transitions that are trending like crazy on Instagram right now. I'll also share the best tips and tricks so you can use them easily and make your edits look PRO level. So make sure you support the channel, watch till the end. And without wasting any time, let's get started! Number 1, cutout transition. This transition instantly removes the background and creates a super clean, eye-catching effect. Just cut out your subject perfectly and place it on a new background. And boom, your edit looks insane. Number 2, smooth zoom out. This transition gives your edit a super clean and professional zoom effect. Just zoom out smoothly and match it perfectly with the beat. And boom, your edit looks next level. Number 3, zoom in transition. This transition adds a powerful punch by zooming straight into the subject. Just zoom in fast and sync it with the beat, and boom, your edit feels super intense and cinematic. Number 4, the most popular transition. This is the transition everyone is using right now on Instagram and Reels. It's smooth, stylish, and instantly makes your edit look viral ready. Just use it with the perfect beat sync. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. And these viral transitions will help you level up your edits. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing editing content. And don't forget to comment which transition you liked the most. I'll see you in the next video. Also, I will upload the fifth and final transition in 3 days. These transitions are also very useful for anime edits and AMV creators. Thanks for watching.